the scene, and so happy and honoured to be agreed to come tonight. Not that there have been problems in the COVID or what have you, but thank you all for turning up, and to these guys to play the record. So enjoy the night. Ian and Lavine and Colin Curtis will be here for the next 4 hours. I'm very proud. I'll never leave this one, especially with Josie, who put me onto the first playing Mecca records. Then with Silvetti and Spring Rain. Over to you, Lavine, and Colin Curtis after this. Thank you.
About Silvetti Spring Rain.
Yeah.